You know how annoying users can sometimes be while interacting with your program by somehow causing so many errors? Well, here are 3 ways to fix those in Python. When asking for a number with user input, you always have to cast it from string to integer. Well, sometimes the user doesn't understand what to do and instead types something which is not a number, which causes an error while casting. Because user input is always a string, you can use the .isdigit function, which will return a boolean value, true if it can be casted to an integer or false if it cannot. Now with this valuable information, you can create a while loop that keeps repeating itself until the user types in a number. Suppose you're asking the user for a specific string and they type it properly but they accidentally leave their caps on and doesn't get recognized by your program. To make it so that your program doesn't discriminate against caps, you can make their answer completely lowered using the .lower function. Sometimes in my programs it requires the user to write a sentence. If I were to compare this sentence with my own sentence, it would be very different. So instead, you can use the in keyword which checks if a string is in another string. This is useful to check if the user is using the important words in their sentences instead of checking the sentences letter for letter.